Another powerful tool that is in a Luminar Neo is Upscale. You can automatically with AI increase the number of your resolution with this tool. Now, as you can see, we have a not good resolution of this image, and we can double it or more with resolution with this tool. Go to catalog, drag and drop your image in upscale. You can 2 times make it upscaling, 4 times, 6 times. For example, 2 times for me is good, or 4 times. And with the settings, you can upscale universal or experimental, universal. If you have a face, you can just activate it. It's face enhancer with AI. And we have some rules here: the minimum input size, the maximum input size. On the long side, the maximum output size is this. So these are the limitation of this tool. And you want to delete your image or insert another image, you can delete it. Upscale it. And let's see what happened. Thinking, depend on your resources on your computer and how much this image is. And done. And it's automatically create a folder here with upscale. And I think that's a good. Go to the alt photo. This is our bad quality of image. This is 4 times better. It's doing its job nice. And let's here we have this pixel, and it's 4 times bigger, and it's increased the number of the file size. Nice. It's good for print or anything. This is a bad quality. It's a high quality. Nice. Or hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.